might be one of my last videos. What I mean by might be, the stupid YouTube age verification stuff. But I have watched a video saying I can't watch YouTube Kids things. I'm gonna shout out that person today. Oh God. Thank you, Slanderist. I'm sorry if I said it wrong. Anyways, I'm sorry. Anyways, thank you. Anyways, Slanderous, you have to watch this video because I can't play it. I ain't even try to touch that one. Anyways, this video is gonna be different from all of my videos. Okay, this is gonna be different from all my videos. I said that a lot of times. Okay, I'm gonna show you something, my EAS video, my EAS things I keep to myself. And just in case if I feel like I'm gonna do the wrong bus engine. Okay. Some of this stuff is very old. Like all of this. This stuff is old until the Windows thing. That green one does not work. Because it's, I don't know. Try to make it better. Lego train one. Okay. But firstly, I'm going to show you a try of me doing the EBS thing.
For the next 60 seconds, this station will conduct a test of the emergency broadcast system. This is only a test.
I'm going to show you that one last because that one takes too long. It's based off of one of the EBS things, okay? So this one's the test video. This is a test of the Denton County EAS system, or emergency broadcast system. This was only a test. Do not freak out about it, but this is just only a test for Denton County's emergency alert or broadcast system. And boom. There's a whole lot of C9275s of the EAS template. Okay, can we just not talk about this one, okay? Let's not talk about it, okay? This is the first one of my very familiar. The emergency broadcast system has issued a window warning for Denton County. Take shelter now. But just in case if you are new to this, there's no text. There's no text. Where's the text at? Anyway, if the text has not come out, the EBS has issued a window warning for Denton County. Take cover now. That's what it says. Okay. Let me see if it's even working. No! No! The emergency broadcast system has issued a window warning for Den County. Take shelter now. But just in
Okay, this one isn't working. And then this one's pretty much the same thing. Atomic bombs mode. That actually scared me.
attention, everyone! When to drop nukes under our country?
I have
aka
not
Den
looked at these in a
County.
long time.
There goes the things.
I was watching
They're
the
playing the
NOA
thing.
videos.
If you're hearing these, take cover now, or you'll be completely erased by the wind of the nuke. Wait, the nuke's outside. I gotta run, guys.
Do you mean
Take
Hummer?
cover now.
Did it take it that long? When are you gonna? Oh. Oh God, I forgot. Is it gone? Okay, because I left. No, we are not reviewing that one. Let's not talk about it, okay? I'm gonna just do this really quick, okay? Okay, it was not originally like this. It said some wow, am I really that good at a beer? But then I cut it out because, bro, I was gonna leave this planet and say so, bro. What the goofy ah? Alright, let's just look at it. Ah.
Den County's emergency broadcast system has issued a kidnap warning for Den County. Duh, you're in Den County. Why would you not expect that?
Don't say that stuff.
Anyways, get undercover. Stay undercover and pretend you're sleeping. Otherwise, yeah, you know what's gonna happen. Yeah, but anyways, stay safe out there and remember some stuff. Just remember, I'm risking my life to do this.
Risking your life?
And I know you wouldn't say I wouldn't need to.
He dead. Oh, he dead. He dead. He's an accident. We're going to. I said 888. 888. Hurry up and end the thing. Yeah, at least this one actually lurks. Bro. Actually.
This is AJC.
This is AJC.
This is AJC News. Austin Weather Service has issued a thunderstorm for the following counties, or all counties of 6671. Be prepared for power outages, effective until we don't know. Station origin AJCN 177.
Okay, once this stuff passes, we're gonna. Also, it wouldn't have not have ended up like this. It actually would have had lightning bolts on it. I don't know why it just cuts off like that. Anyways, I had imported one to this one. I think is the unfinished one. Let's check. This one clear. I don't know what I'm doing with this one. Okay, let me check. See, it's load. I don't know what I'm doing. I don't know which one I'm gonna use. Okay, so this one isn't like ready yet. So I might show you a video of me doing it. Of me actually getting an idea of what I'm doing, brother. Okay, time to do this. You've seen this one before. Okay, you guys have seen this one before. It was in my it was in like my at least my fourth row of videos. Like, yeah. Yeah, you know this video.
Oh shoot, I'm running. No. Oh no.
So 2 viewers would at least know what this video is.
Just say
Yeah,
wow.
remember that. Okay. This is it. What's new? Get your pass keys on all devices. No, not right now. Not right now. I'm filming. I don't need to get hacked. Okay, and I just started it. All right. Remember, I'm gonna start the video, and I'm gonna be quiet now. Something isn't correct. I'm gonna do something. I gotta like remove that tab, get the tab back, and then boom.
This is AJC News 2.
I just said what?
This is the EBS, or the Emergency Broadcast System. As you saw, yes, all the smiling pretty girls are mad. So get inside, or you might.
I should have
And recording. So stay inside and be safe. Oh shoot, I'm running. No! Oh no.
Look. Oh my god. Yeah. Okay, but if y'all remember that one where I said, how did I just reverse into the hurricane? Hurricane, did you do this? But why did it go from ACA Hurricane? Now I'm stuck on ACA Hurricane, bro. Now they recommend me ACA Hurricane, bro. Alright, you guys can just look at, if you saw that, bro, I will skedaddle. Okay, so this is what I have so far.
This is
Don't you
AJC
dare mind
News.
that. I have not finished that. Is there even a
Austin Weather Service
bro?
has issued.
See that tab is not ready yet. It's just the thunderstorm thing. Okay, this is the bus thing I use for long bus. That wasn't there, right? Okay, an ACA alerter. You want to know what it want to know what it used to look like? Listen to Yeah, so now you guys can tell it used to be a Federal Signal 500 SHTT. Want me to play all of this? Alright. Cover your ears because this is going to be loud. I'm not joking. This is... Uh-oh. Okay. This will be really loud. I'm not joking. Turn down your volume when I'm done. I'm going to just stop it right here. Alright, volume warning. Turn down your thing. Things that you have, I'll give you 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6... Wait, 7? That reminds me of something. No, not that kind of 7. That one. I just showed you the same photo, but folded. Alright. Turn down your volume. I'm sorry if I said it. Alright, let's do this. If you thought I wasn't done, alright. I'll give you 5 more seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, let's do this. Alright, you can resume it back to normal. Alright, it's the end. Wait, I said I was going to show you one more thing. I almost forgot. This EBS thing that takes 99 hours.
For the next 60 seconds, this station will conduct a test of the emergency broadcast system. This is only a test.
Listen to how other
test of the emergency broadcast system. The broadcasters of your area, in voluntary cooperation with federal, state, and local authorities, have developed this system to keep you informed in the event of an emergency. If this had been an actual emergency, the attention signal you just heard would have been followed by official information, news, or instructions. This station serves the Los Angeles area. This concludes this test of the emergency broadcast system.
And boom, done. But one more thing before you go. I'm gonna do something that looks something like a I don't know, but I'm really bad. Look at no, wait, where? Look at this. No, look at this. Stop it!
Keep all your passwords safe. Choose Chrome to safely store your passwords.
No, I do not.
Fortnite's new Squid Game reload map.
Why do I sound so bad?
Fortnite's new
Which one is bad? The bad one.
Fortnite's new Squid.
Which one is better? Bad numero uno or bad numero dos? And you know what? I'm gonna do something that's gonna make me stop existing. I'm gonna be right back. Alright, I got it. Fun fact, he never came back. No! What was that? No!
It's test tornado sound.
No, like the
It's test tornado siren test. Come on, you dumb yellow line. Hurry up.
Alright, yeah. This is how you make the CLM siren sound. And if you do not believe me, let me do it for you, guys. And it doesn't even sound like a CLM siren. Okay, let me turn off these confusing keys. Alright, enough playing around. Let me just turn off this, whatever this is. Okay, look. Did I make at least something like the CLM siren sound? Nonsense one. Go to JEC and then go all the way down to 62. No, 63. Delayed strings. 63 delayed strings. Okay. Press C3. Press these two notes. Now listen. see what I'm saying? It sounds like butt. Alright, thank you for watching this video, and goodbye. What if I just end it with the freight train horn? Imagine you're sleeping there, and then all of a sudden,